Hello and welcome to this video where I'll share with you how to create landing pages for your ebook and by landing pages I mean the lead generation page, the sales page and the ebook download page. And of course how to A/B test these pages to increase their conversions. Without any further ado, let's start with how to create the leads generation page. Go to pages, then add new, give the page a title, descriptive title, and hit publish. Then click on Launch Drive Architect. I prefer using pre-built landing pages. This pre-built page or design is designed for ebooks. This makes our job much better, much easier. As you can see, the copyright and design of this pre-built landing page is very good for our needs. Editing this pre-built landing pages is so much easy. I got an idea of duplicating the form and placing it under the reviews. This way, if the visitors read the reviews and got convinced, he can easily opt for our ebook without going back to the top of the page. Let's now preview our design for tablets. As you can see, all the pre-built designs looks good on other devices other than computers. Changing the author image or photo is super easy. All you have to do is click on the image and replace it with another one from the left sidebar menu. Let's now save our work. Thrive Architect comes with the multiple pre-built page designs for ebooks. So if this design does not suit your style, you can easily choose another pre-built landing page and then select the ebook, and you can create another page that suits you. Now I already began creating the ebook sales page. The process is similar to we just did. As you can see, we can edit all the details of this pre-built design. By the way, for the buy now button, you can program it to send people to Amazon or to buy your ebook without leaving your page. That depends on your payment processor, if it's Stripe or WooCommerce or Paddle.com. Personally, I prefer Paddle.com. It works like charm for me and my and where I live. Let's now preview our work on mobile phones. As you see, everything take its place without any other modification. Sometimes we have to edit, but most of the time all the pre-built pages or designs are adaptive, can adapt to mobile phones and tablets. Let's now create our ebook download page. It's the same process. Create a new page, give it a name, hit publish, then click on the green button, Launch Drive Architect on the top bar. Editing the ebook preview page is super easy. All you have to do, if you are new to Thrive tools or Thrive Teams tools, all you have to do is to make a walkthrough of all the options, the left menu, the right menu, and then you will easily understand how to work with it. It's super simple, it's self-explanatory. And now we have our page, our ebook download page ready. Now the step number 2 is to A/B test these pages to increase their conversion rates. What I recommend you in your first A/B test is to change all the design and test between variations. Recommend duplicating the same design and make little changes. I prefer to make a whole new design and test the conversion rate of both of them. When I get and the winner, with the winner variation, then I optimize with duplicating it and making small changes. For example, adding testimonials, making a video, testing between different headlines, testing between a short video and a longer video, testing between colors, testing between, for example, lead generation page. I can test between the lead form, background color, and borders, things like that. After completing your changes, hit save work first, then go back to AB on the AB icon on the right, and from here you can delete one of the variations or duplicate it, change the variation name, choose to distribute traffic evenly or not. After that, click Setup and start A/B tests. For the split test name, it should be clear or easy or something that makes you understand what the test is about or what the pages you are testing. For example, here it's an ebook lead gen page A/B test. for the short description, I highly recommend you to take your time and write something that will make you remember what you was testing, because A/B testing takes at least 2 weeks. So take your time, write what you are testing and what you will do after this test to make things to help you remember what you was working on. Click next, and here you can choose between revenue or work with a goal page. I prefer to work with a goal page because it's easier. For example, for the lead generation page, the goal page should be your email is confirmed, for example. For the sales page, the thank you or the payment accepted page should works great for a goal page. The goal page is what helps the tool confirm that a conversion is made. As you can see, now you have a little bit an overview of our test, but I prefer to see my current or running A/B tests from Thrive Optimized dashboard. Click on View Test Details. You can see by conversion rate or conversions, daily, weekly. This is title and the description of the test. And from here, what you should be looking at is conversion rate. It's the most important thing here. After seeing that a conversion split test or a statistical significant, you can choose to stop tests and choose the winner. And right now variation 2 is declared as the winner, and all the traffic will see just the variation 2 of our test. Let's move now to how to install Thrive Optimize. First thing, go to this link. It's my affiliate link, just to be clear with you. To head to the official Thrive Teams website, log in with your account. Log in with your account and download Thrive Product Manager plugin to your computer. Now head to your WordPress website, dashboard page or admin page, and go to plugins add new to upload your Thrive Product Manager plugin. Click on install and activate it. Now head to Product Manager on the sidebar. Choose Thrive Leads, Thrive Architect, and Thrive Optimize to start installing them. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.